Good morning. It is probably about 9:30 in the morning. We had rain all last night. It's pretty. Everything's pretty wet. We have a little fire going. Getting breakfast going. People are getting out of their tents. It's been kind of slow. We tried getting out probably around 5 o'clock this morning to see if we couldn't catch a fish, but it just started downpouring. But right now it's clearing up. No raining. I think Brad and I are going to go and get some fishing in this morning to make sure that we get some fish for the group. Our neighbors over here on the other campsite left this morning roughly around 5:36, and they were kind enough to leave us a big old cedar log for us to fire up and use this weekend. That was kind of them. But this is the other campsite that's on the sand beach, and I'll go show you the sand beach part of it. I typically like to come out here in the past and take photos of the sky and stars and the Milky Way, because there's no light pollution out here. You know, it's probably the darkest zone in the East Coast. There's literally nothing out here for light. It's amazing. But I don't think I'm going to be able to get much astrophotography done this year, just due to the fact that we've just got rainy weather. And this is overgrown from last year. This is usually a cleared out path. Ooh, cold. From the sounds of it, we've got neighbors over at the ledges. That's cool. This is the sand beach, and then there's a sandbar that runs probably, I don't know, 40 feet out, about 40 feet out there, and it runs down the length of this side of the lake pretty far. It's pretty cool because one year we had a moose run on that sandbar the entire way down the side of the lake. That was really neat. I want to see if there's any driftwood or anything like that we can dry out and use tonight, but looking quite sparse. In the morning, might be. So we got Brad cooking some bacon. Oh, Mr. Jeremy's got corned beef hash going, and it looks like, is that sausage and eggs? Sausage and eggs. Let's go, baby. Peppers. Oh, we got some fucking fresh peppers cooking with Crisco this morning. We're gonna be eating like kings. We have to use for the facilities. Good old outhouse. Now, excuse me, I got some business to attend. All right, we are off for another round of fishing. Hopefully we'll have better luck this time. We do have a couple folks from the ledges out and about we've got to navigate, not be rude and be on their fishing path, but should be all right. Brad was kind enough to re-spool this fishing rod for me.
There you go.
The ice cave, so we got this cove all to ourselves. Hopefully we'll get something on this stretch here. We've had really good luck in the past, going up by this island, going around and coming back, or going up and around, and there's another like little honey hole in front of the ledges right there. And then supposedly the boys are supposed to be getting off their asses and go fishing, but we don't see them out there yet. Oh no, I'm lying. There's some movement there. Good. Hopefully one of us will be lucky and have some fish tonight. I gotta tell you, it doesn't get much better than this. The only thing could be better is if we if we had a fish on. What's that? Let's go, boyo. Oh.
Right in my back.
Okay, sweet. On your right in your back? Awesome. Just trying to get it out of the water, and I got your back. Awesome. You want to hand me the... You got it? Oh, just a little guy. Hey, they're in here. We caught a fish.
12 to 14 for rookie?
Yep, 12 to 14. Huh. Right there. Yeah. No. See you, buddy. Trying to get a fish. Brad's no longer skunked.
Juke me, bub.
No, that don't count. No one saw it.
Oh my god. You need to smell my hand though.
Nobody wants to smell your hand now. Come on. We may have a fish on. He doesn't feel big. I might have hit the rocks.
I don't know how I'm deeper than you. I didn't hit any rocks.
You didn't? All right. Doesn't feel like anything's on it. Huh?
I might shook it.
One fish from Brad. A bite for me, a bite for Brad. One lost paddle recovered. Oh, shit. Brad and I weren't feeling the greatest, but we figured we'd come out once we saw how flat this water was and how beautiful this was. Hopefully, we'll be rewarded with a couple fish. Father would say, flatter than piss on a plate. Nope, that's a fish. Holy shit.
That's a good one.
Mm-hmm.
So,
I hope I'm still recording.
huh?
I hope I'm still recording. Toad? No? Alright, you don't need to keep going. Just need to...
You get it over here.
That's a fucking nice one. Yeah, boy. Let's go. First, I didn't get skunked. I love it. Brad says it is 17 inches. I don't know how much it weighs, but yeah, looking great. On to the next one. Yeah, right over there. I know. I couldn't believe when I went out to the beach there and was looking out, I was like, looked left, I looked right, I said, no one's on the fucking lake right now, we need to be out here. I'm gonna snag a photo really quick. You can go 5 miles. That's a real good one, buddy. Shit, yeah. Yeah, boy.
Oh shit. This is a medium heavy, dude. Alright, I'm in red. It's right here.
Bring him over here. Yeah, dude. Good catch, Bubba. Yeah, dude, fatty boy. Don't even need to check it.
15.
As you lose it. Yeah,
Very
dude.
pretty brookie.
Heck yeah, man, we didn't get skunked at all. Let's go. Nice catch. Think they understood me?
No.
Let me get a net. You got him?
So,
Don't see him yet. There's your second right there. Nice one, brother. Yeah, boy.
Stop fishing.
Up to you, bud. We do have people to feed too. What's that? Oh, that's mine. That's a good hit. No, 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 no. Damn it. Oh.
He's on there.
Yeah. No. He was fighting too hard. He's not on. Damn it, dude.
Oh, I got one.
You bitch. You bitch. I don't think I hit record on that, so I think I missed that entire thing. So to recap, I missed a hit. He dropped the lure, and then instantly after he dropped the lure, he grabbed Brad's nice fish, and your boy fumbled the ball and lost him trying to net the fish in. So since it was my flub, I gave Brad the win. So he's now up 4-1. All right, we're just getting the fish all cleaned up. Brad's working on one of his brookies. We got one left to go, and then you can't really see him out there, but Josh and Jeremy are out there trying to get a fish. I think they had some luck. It stopped and I saw some action, so hopefully they're bringing in another one. Have a nice little feed here in a little bit.